Today we'll do simple problems to understand the case of solid and hollow cylinder in a better way. So we'll take two cases. One is the case of solid cylinder here. Let me write here. So solid cylinder, and here it is hollow cylinder. Okay. Now let me take a barrel of a fountain pen. A barrel of a fountain pen. So let me consider this as a fountain pen. What is given is cylindrical in shape and it is 7 centimeters long. It is given that this is 7 centimeters and 5 millimeters in diameter. The diameter given is 5 millimeters. A full barrel of ink means if I fill the ink to the brim, I can write 310 words. 310 words with ink filled. Now the question is, how many words would use up a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? So let's say it is 200 centimeter cube. What is 1 liter? It is 1000 cc. That is 1000 centimeter cube. So let me consider to simplify the case. How many words can I write with the ink of 200 centimeter cube? Are we clear about the question? The question says a fountain pen, if filled to the barrel, can write 310 words. And how many words can I write with a volume of 200 centimeter cube? And the answer has to be rounded to nearest to 100 words. How do we do this? Now, what is the volume of this barrel? Volume of this barrel. What is that? We know that the volume of the barrel is nothing but pi r square h. Pi r square h. And we know that pi is 22 by 7 and r is given as in 5 millimeters, that is nothing but 0.5 millimeters. So the radius will be 0.25. Let me write it here. Radius is 0.25 centimeters and height is given as 7 centimeters. So this comes to 0.25 whole square into 7, that is nothing but 1.375 centimeter cube. This volume can write 310 words. If this is the case, how many words can 200 centimeter cube write? This is nothing but 310 upon 1.375 into 200. So these many words can be written. Calculating, we get an answer of 45091. I can round it off to 45,100 words. Are we clear about this? This is a typical problem of considering the volume of this solid cylinder. Now let us take a problem which deals with a hollow cylinder. The problem goes like this. A cylindrical tube open at both ends. This is a tube open at both ends. Okay. Okay. This is a tube open at both ends. This end is open. The internal diameter is given as, let me take this as a small r and this as the capital R. So the internal diameter, small d, is given as 11.2 centimeters. So I can take it as small r is 5.6 centimeters. And the length means in our case the height. The length is given as 21 centimeters. The metal everywhere is 0.4, means what? The thickness is given as 0.4. The thickness is given as 0.4 centimeters. If thickness is 0.4, the capital radius, that is the outer radius, is r plus zero point 0.4, that is 6 centimeters. Now what is asked in the question is calculate the volume of the metal in the tube correct to one place of decimal. Now we know that the volume would be 5 times r square minus r square times h. Why is it so? Because this is the thickness and it is hollow inside. So the effective area would be 5 times r square minus r square into h. So this comes to 22 upon 7 into 6 square minus 5.6 whole square into 21, that is 306.2 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the metal, considering that 0.4 centimeter is the thickness of the metal.